Good morning, welcome back. It's Saturday, May 23rd, and we're going to continue. We're going to finish off chapter 8. So last time we looked at loops. We looked at the for loop and the do loop in detail, and now you're going to complete the chapter by doing the practice makes perfect session. And once that unit is complete, you will upload it. So as usual, create a screenshot of the work that is completed. There should be 2 yellow check marks when it's completed, and then copy it into WordPad, save it, and then upload it to this assignment by clicking the upload button. So we'll say we'll go to about 9:30, 10 o'clock, the latest today to upload this, and we'll start on a special project.